All right, find the exact trig ratios. So now I want my ratios. Remember, ratios are fractions. I'm looking for things like this. 150 degrees, well, I know 150 degrees is going to be over here. My reference angle is 30. So I know my trig ratios for 30. I know that sine of 30, that's going to be the short angle, and I haven't really drawn it to be short, but I know that's the short angle, so my opposite side is the shortest. So sine 30 is a half. Sine of 150, I'm in quadrant 2, so my sine value is also positive, so also a half. Cos 30 is going to be root 3 over 2, because that's the long side, but in quadrant 2, cosine is negative. So cos of 150 is negative root 3 over 2, and of course tangent is going to be this ratio, so negative 1 over root 3. We could rationalize the denominator, we don't have to. 7 pi over 4. Well, 7 pi over 4, 2 pi is 8 pi over 4, so that's 1 pi over 4 away, and pi over 4 is my reference angle. I have quadrant 4, so I know sine is going to be negative, cosine is going to be positive. My reference angle is pi over 4, so theta reference is pi over 4. So sine 7 pi over 4 is going to be negative of the pi over 4 value, which is root 2 over 2. Cosine of 7 pi over 4 is going to be positive. The tangent is going to be negative 1. Negative 4 pi over 3, well, that's a full negative pi and then another negative pi over 3, so up here. So short side, long side, negative, positive. Sine of negative 4 pi over 3 is going to be positive and it's going to be long, so root 3 over 2. Cosine is going to be negative, and that's the short side. Tangent is going to be their ratio. Negative root 3 over 1, don't need to write the 1.